You're gonna do.
Today, as you see, we have slide. I covered this up because I haven't filled it out. We have a plant, a feather, if you haven't noticed, and we also need to do feet, which is right here.
What are we testing for?
And Pepe. I only said pepper.
What are we testing for?
To see if plants sneeze. And this. It specifically says right here. Sneeze.
Okay, Calvin,
Yeah.
run the test.
And so, first, what's this word? What's this word here?
Hypothesis.
Do plants sneeze? First, hypothesis.
Yes.
Hypothesis. Plants probably sneeze. There's a if you haven't noticed, there's a plant here saying achoo.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Experiment. Feathers. Pepper. Feet. And conclusion. I haven't filled that out.
Okay.
So let's move it to the plant.
Okay.
So first, we will try a feather. Nope, doesn't work.
No.
Next, we will try pepper. Doesn't work. And last, we're gonna try feet.
Don't fall over. Okay.
Wait.
You want to show the result?
Dun, dun, dun.
This is the intermission.
They're making a plant sneeze. Yes, me.
Okay, come here, show.
Last, plants don't sneeze.
Plants don't sneeze.
Yeah, plants don't sneeze. And I'm sorry about Lukey. Going. We're testing to see if plants sneeze.
Okay, is that the end?
The end.